Alright, so just finished repairing this Rockford Fosgate T1000 with some issues with the input connectors and the input muting. So I fixed that, no big deal. Running it off this 10 amp power supply. I don't know why it's drawing almost 5 amps at idle, but whatever, I'll figure that out.
And we have them on, and we have this Rockford on 2 DS18 Elite D6.
Yeah, so we're gonna do it on these Rockford Fosgates. Alright, so play something, let's see if it works. If not, we'll put it on Facebook Marketplace as gently used Rockford Fosgate amp. Oh, so far so good.
Yeah.
Why is it drawing so much juice though, man? 4 amps at idle? Shit, I don't know. If anybody knows, let me know. It seems to be... Now it's drawing upwards of 5 amps, a little bit more, 9 amps.
When you were playing it before, I was clipping the power supply.
Yeah, that's the constant power thing, so at least it's staying at 14.4, but it's drawing a shitload of power. Well, not really, because this can draw a lot more than 10 amps. And look what it's doing to these speakers with that little bit of current. Ooh, go get a napkin and put it up right. Alright, it goes back to idle draw current. Man, these things are $1,000 for these amps. Are they worth it? I don't know. Fucking overpriced Rockford Fosgate. Oh, nice. Alright, let's turn it down, stick it back in the car and see what gives. I don't know, I just think it's drawing way too much current for being idle.
And these are the new mids I got for the...
Oh yeah, some Scar mids and some Lanza tweeters that I pulled out my whole box. Let me back them a bit so they can see the whole... There you go, that's his speaker system. What is amps over here? Alright, let's put this thing back together and stick it